Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a battery drain test on Huawei Nova 3i or Huawei P Smart Plus smartphone. It comes with 3340 mAh battery. So we are going to perform few tasks on this device, and after that we will see that how much battery is going to be remaining after each kind of task. So right now the phone is connected to the charger. The battery percentage is 100. As you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi. The brightness level we are going to use will be full. There is no SIM card inserted in this, and the screen resolution is selected as full HD plus. So we are not going to use the HD plus or smart resolution to avoid any changes in the screen resolution while doing this test. And as you can see here that there is no power saving mode is selected. So let's start our test now, and let's see how great is the battery performance of Huawei Nova 3i. So first of all, we are going to do a gaming test. In this we will play a high-end heavy graphics game for 1 hour on our Huawei Nova 3i, and after that we will check how much battery is going to be remaining. So let's start with the gaming test. So it's an hour of gameplay. Let's have a look on the battery status. So battery percentage is 87 right now. If you go to the settings and then to battery, here you can say battery percentage is 87 after playing Asphalt Extreme for 1 hour on highest possible graphics setting. So now let's do the next test, and that's going to be YouTube video playback. In this we will play some 1080p full HD videos for 1 hour on YouTube, and after that we will see how much battery is going to be remaining. So let's start the YouTube video playback test now. So it's more than an hour of YouTube video playback. Let's have a look on the battery status once again. And it's 72% now after an hour of high-end heavy graphics gameplay and an hour of YouTube video playback. It's 72% as you can see here. So after 2 hours what we got is 72% battery. And now let's do the next test, and that's going to be native video playback. In this we are going to play a 1080p full HD video for an hour on Google Photos application in loop, and after that once again we will see how much battery is going to be remaining in our device. So let's start with native video playback test. So it's an hour of native video playback. Let's have a look on the battery status once again, and it's 60%. So if you go to the settings here and then to battery, you can see it's 60% after 3 hours of continuous usage. And now we are going to do the next test, and that's web browsing test. In this, homepage of shanhaider.com will keep refreshing for an hour by itself after 30 seconds. And once the test is finished, we will have a look on the battery status again. So here we go with web browsing test. It's an hour of web browsing. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 47%. So after 4 hours of continuous usage, battery moved from 100% to 47% as you can see here. And now we are going to do the last test for today, and that's 1080p at 60 fps video recording test. In this we will record a 1080p 60 fps video for a while, and then we will see that how much battery is going to be remaining. So here we go with the camera test. So it's more than 30 minutes of 1080p full HD video recording at 60 fps. Now let's have a look on the battery status once again. So the battery percentage is 34, as you can see. If we go to the battery usage, here you will get more information about the battery consumption. You can see the maximum battery was consumed by Asphalt Extreme, then YouTube, then Photos application that we used for the native video playback, then web browsing test, and then camera. And once again, if you go to this battery usage chart, here you can see that we used battery for 4 hours 30 minutes. This is the exact duration of our battery drain test here, and estimated time left is still 13 hours 37 minutes. But as you can guess, this is not exactly correct, because after 4.5 hours of continuous usage, battery percentage moved from 100 to 34%. So you can expect around 6 or 6.5 hours of screen on time on this. And you can also get the idea that if you're a gamer or you watch YouTube videos a lot or do web browsing, so how much battery life you will get on your Huawei Nova 3i, considering the fact that how much battery was drained in 1 hour for doing that particular test. Depending on the condition in which you use your smartphone, for example, less resolution or dual SIM inserted or whatever, you will get less or more battery life than this test here. So I just want to give you an idea that how much battery life you will get from your Huawei Nova 3i. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.